Hi, this is a session on mathematics, chapter 1 on real numbers for grade 10, exercise 1.2, question number 3. Question number 3 says find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. So let's solve the part number 1 first, which is that the given numbers are 12, 15 and 21. So if we factorize them, we get 12 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 1. 15 would be decomposed as 3 multiplied by 5, which will be equal to 3 multiplied by 5. Similarly, 21 when factorized into its primes will give 3 into 7. So if we see this now, we can find HCF and LCMs very easily. HCF is the product of the smallest power of each of the common prime factor in the numbers. So if we see the common prime factors which are there, in this case we have 3 and we also have 2. In this case we have 3 and we have 5. In case of 21 we have 3 and 7. So the only factor which is common is 3. So we will get 3 and its smallest power will be 3 raised to power 1. So we get 3 here as the HCF. Okay, so let's get to the LCM, which will be the product of the greatest power of each prime factor involved in the number. So in our case, this will be 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 7, which will give us 420. Therefore, we have the LCM equal to 420 and the HCF of the three numbers is equal to 3. Let's get to the part number 2, third question, and the part 2. The given numbers are 17, 23 and 29. If we do their factorization, we get basically 17 equal to 1 multiplied by 17, 23 is equal to 1 multiplied by 23 and 29 is only 1 multiplied by 29. So now we can easily find their HCF. So in case of HCF of the three numbers, we will check the smallest power of each of the common factor. And here we have only 1 as the common factor, so the HCF would be 1. In case of LCM, the product of the greatest power of each of the prime factor involved will be multiplied. So we get 17 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 29. So that will be 11339. So we have gotten the two numbers. We have gotten the HCF as 1. And the LCM of the given three numbers will be 11,339. Now let's do the last part of the question number 3, which is we are given the three numbers as 8, 9 and 25. And if we factorize them, 8 will become 2 raised to power 3, 9 will become 2 raised to power 2 and 25 will become 5 raised to power 2. And now let's do the HCF and LCM. So HCF of the three numbers will be 1 because that is the smallest power of each of the common prime factor. The LCM of the numbers 8, 9 and 25 will be 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2, that is 1800.